So a client has a sweet idea for a shop. Our job? Use data to see if it's a smart move.
They want to open up on a local high street just like this one. But the big question is, will it work?
So how do you turn a hopeful idea into a confident business? You follow the data. Let's dig in.
The client started us off with 18 educated guesses. You can think of them as our first clues.
Our mission is to test every single one against survey data to find some real answers.
Okay, let's dive right in. First up, where should this shop actually be located?
Now, the client's first guess, that Southall would be the perfect spot for their first shop.
But when we look at the actual survey data, a totally different story. Hayes got the most votes.
So that's a clear nope. This first guess is rejected. The data is pointing us straight to Hayes. Okay, next up, what kind of sweets should they even be selling? Let's find out.
The client was pretty sure that chocolate would be way more popular than, say, gummies or candy.
And you know what? The data totally backs this up. It's clear people really want chocolate.
So this guess was bang on the money. That's a big win, and it tells the client exactly what to stock.
All right, let's talk about the money. How much are people actually willing to spend here?
The guess was that the sweet spot for weekly spending would be between £2 and £5.
And the survey results, yep, they confirm it. A huge majority falls right into that spending range.
So we can confidently accept this one. This is super helpful for predicting revenue and stocking up.
So after testing all 18 of these guesses, what did we actually learn? A whole lot, it turns out.
What we have now is a super clear profile of their ideal customer and the best strategy to move forward.
So it's finally time to deliver the big recommendation. We can now answer the client's main question.
The data gives us a really clear roadmap. Focus on Hayes, stock up on chocolate, and target that sweet spot spender. And our final verdict, backed by all this data, it's a confident go for this business.
We didn't just guess. We used data to lower the risk and give the client real confidence to move forward.
It just goes to show you the power of data. So, what smart decision could your data unlock?